Here you have to solve the exponential equation. What you want to do is see if you can rewrite the two sides in terms of the same base. If you can, you want to take the larger number and rewrite it in terms of the smaller number. There is a way you can rewrite 2 in terms of 128. Instead of doing that, rewrite 128 as a power of 2. To see if that's possible, you can make a list. You don't really have to start at 2 to 0 or 2 to the first power. 2 to the second power is 4. 2 to the third power is 8. 2 to the fourth power is 16. 2 to the fifth power is 32. 2 to the sixth power is 64. 2 to the seventh power is 128. Notice that since this was based on 2, all these numbers double as you go to higher powers. Now we see that 128 is the same thing as 2 to the 7th power. That means we can substitute here. You can rewrite 128 as 2 to the 7th power. Once you have the exact same base on both sides, there are some intermediary steps where you show how you can get rid of the bases. But at this point, you can get rid of them right now. You normally don't show the intermediary steps anymore. Set the exponents equal to each other, and you get the answer. X equals 7. Leave a comment below. Subscribing is free. Click the like, subscribe, and bell notification buttons for more videos.